Most people trying to start a registered agent business focus on forming a company, creating a website, or even getting clients, but completely overlook the mistakes that create operational and compliance problems later. And the reality is this: some mistakes can damage credibility before the business even gets established. So in this video, I'm going to walk through 5 common mistakes new registered agents make and how to avoid them early. Mistake number 1, starting without understanding compliance responsibilities. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make in treating the business is like treating it like a simple mailbox service. A registered agent is responsible for receiving official, legal, and government documents on behalf of a business. So that simply means this: legal notice, tax correspondence, compliance notifications, service of process, and other documents. If any of these are mishandled or missed, it can create serious problems for your clients. So that's why understanding operational responsibility matters before accepting customers. Mistake number 2, using an unreliable address setup. Another common mistake is using an address setup that is not constantly monitored during business hours. So businesses hire registered agents because they need reliability. If official documents arrive and no one is available, that creates a risk by itself. So depending on the state, requirements can vary slightly, which is why understanding local compliance expectations matters before even launching. Mistake number 3, accepting clients before even creating systems. A lot of beginners focus on getting clients first and systems second, and that's totally backwards, guys. So before taking clients, you should think about this: document tracking, notifications, organization, response procedures, client communication, and other workflows. So without systems, things become disorganized quickly as clients increase. Mistake number 4, competing only on price. Look guys, many new registered agents think the cheapest price wins, and that's not the case. In reality, businesses often prioritize. So they look at professionalism, responsiveness, trust, reliability. This is a compliance-based business. So that means reputation matters more than being the lowest cost provider. Mistake number 5, treating the business like it's a quick money opportunity. So this is probably the biggest mistake that you can make. Registered agent services are not a get-rich-quick business model. It's just simply not. This is a real business built around compliance, structure, consistency, operational trust. The entrepreneurs who treat it professionally usually position themselves better long term. Now, the reason I wanted to make this video is because I received a lot of questions from people interested in starting a registered agent business the right way, especially beginners trying to understand how everything fits together. So I recently put together a complete beginner-friendly guide that walks you through the entire setup process step by step. So it covers business setup, compliance, fundamentals, operational structure, pricing, client acquisition, software and document management, and common mistakes to avoid. You'll find the guide linked in the description and pinned comment below if you want the full breakdown. So if this video helped you, make sure to like, hit that subscribe button, and check out the other registered agent business videos on this channel. Thank you for watching.